The AW sound. This sound looks and sounds like this. Ah. It can be used in any position of a word. Some examples: if used at the beginning of a word, all; in the middle of a word, dog; and at the end of a word, law. To make this short, static vowel sound, your mouth is open wide. There are some variations on lip rounding. Your lips can be slightly rounded or more rounded depending on the word. The tongue is low and pulled towards the back of the mouth. The two mistakes that I see the most with the ah sound are: number one, the mouth is not open wide enough, or number two, speakers say oh because of the spelling of the word. Listen, watch, and practice these words with me. AW at the beginning of a word. On, all, awful, also, awesome. AW at the end of a word. Law, saw, draw, Arkansas, and in sentences, all people must obey the law. Rob saw all of the drawings. This concludes the AW sound.